Make money watching videos. Is it all just a scam, or can you really make money watching videos? Watch this video to find out. My name is Greg Kononenko. You might also know me as the Caffeinated Blogger, and on this YouTube channel I put out regular videos dedicated to making money online, blogging and traffic generation. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification icon to make sure that you don't miss my next video. Let's get into it. Hey once again guys, welcome to this video. As you can see, I've got a ton of really interesting information lined up for you. We're going to be talking about how you can make money watching videos. There are obviously a number of reasons why you might want to make money watching videos. Maybe it's to pay extra bills, maybe it's to get some money together to invest into other things related to your online business. I'm going to show you 3 sites. I really hope that you enjoy and use at least one of them because it can definitely help someone who wants to make some money on the side. So let's go through this one by one. So first of all, let's talk about why would you want to be watching videos to make this extra money. So I'll be upfront and I'll just say that you can't really make thousands a day and probably can't even make hundreds a day watching videos online. It's just simply not going to happen, all right? But you can definitely earn some decent extra money. So what we're talking about here is maybe $20 or $30 a day, possibly a little bit more in your spare time, depending how much time you're willing to dedicate to this. There are absolutely no skills required. There are no age barriers or anything like that. Anyone can do this, if you're retired or maybe you're just fresh out of school or out of college while you're looking for a job. You can't get rich, but you can definitely earn a side income. I'm going to show you step by step, so just keep watching to find out how that actually works. The way that personally for me would make sense the most to use this money and why you'd want to watch videos and why you'd want to make money watching videos is to earn capital to invest into more passive things online. So for example, as you know, I love blogging. Blogging is completely passive, but sometimes I get messages from a lot of my viewers saying that, look, I don't even have $20, I don't even have $50 to buy a nice WordPress theme or like a template for my blog. I don't have money to buy this course for $20 that I really want to buy. Well, if that sounds like you, then that could be another reason why you might want to make some money watching videos, because you can literally earn capital to start your online business. You can make that first 50, 100, 500, maybe $1,000 so that you can invest into content, into blog, into traffic, into your online courses and so forth. So with all of that out of the way, let's get into the actual detail of the sites that can help you make money watching videos. So first of all, the first site I want to talk about is Swagbucks. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Maybe it's Swagbucks. I'm actually not entirely sure. Now, the cool thing about this site is I'm going to show you step by step everything how it works. Is that you can get paid cash via PayPal through that website. There are other ways to earn cash rewards as well, like discounts and vouchers and so on. I'm going to get into that in just a second. Now, the best thing to do is to use it in your downtime. So for example, if you are in transport, you can use Swagbucks iPhone app or Swagbucks Android app, and you can run it and you can make money watching videos, doing other things, and just let it run in the background while, for example, you're in transport. So just use your downtime. Likewise, if you're watching TV, you can just leave things running there on your laptop or on your smartphone, and you can make money while you're doing something else. That's really the best way, because on a per hour basis, you're not really going to make that much. There are many ways to earn with Swagbucks. It's one of the most trusted online companies. So let me jump over into the actual interface and I will show you step by step exactly how everything there works. Alright, so I'm here inside the Swagbucks interface, and as you can see, this is sort of like a reward store. So I just want to show you first of all that you can actually get PayPal cash. So just send directly into your PayPal account. To get a $25 PayPal cash deposit, you need to earn 2,500 Swagbucks points. That SB is Swagbucks points, all right? So in effect, one Swagbucks point is worth 1 US cent. So it just gives you a bit of an idea. If you wanted to get an Amazon.com card, it's actually a little bit cheaper. So the value there is a little bit better. You can save 12%, as you can see. So there are, from time to time, there are various sales, all right? So if you want to earn that $25, as you now know, you need to earn approximately 2,500 Swagbucks points. So how do you actually do this? Well, the way that it works is you join Swagbucks, okay? You get some points just for joining. I've already, as you can see, I've signed up with a brand new account. I've got 5 SBs already. And then you can do various things like shop online, watch videos, all right, which is what we're talking about in this video, watch videos. If you search the web, just by searching the web, you'll earn. You can answer surveys, you can find different other deals, and then you get those free gift cards to actually get paid out. So it's super simple to use pretty much. If you want to look at watching videos, you can just run those videos here. You can see the ones that I get for my country, for Australia, are the ones that are available here. There are tons and tons. You can just leave them running. You can literally just go watch playlist and you'll start earning those points. Obviously, they don't pay very much. As you can see, it's like 2 points, 3 points, and so on. But that could be because of the location. I think US-based locations pay more. I'm based in Australia. That's what I get. So it will take kind of a little bit of time to get to these 2,500 points. But like I said, you just leave it running while you're doing something else, while you're studying, while you're in transport. It will all add up. Now, there are other ways for you to earn as well, and there are various promotions and so on. You will see that here on the screen. As soon as you register, you can actually get 200 Swagbucks points just for answering a survey. So you don't just have to watch TV or watch videos. You can do various other things to get those points. Now, does Swagbucks actually work? Well, I did some research for you just to find some feedback. I mean, it is the most established company that have paid out over $300 million since the inception of the company. But there is definitely a lot of information online, people saying that they've made this much on Swagbucks website and so forth. So I would not be too worried about it. They are not a scamming company or anything like that. You just need to go in here, complete all of these things that you see in the interface, and you'll be well on your way to making money while you're watching videos and doing various other things. So let's jump back into the presentation and let's dive into site number 2. My tip here would be to use any money that you earn from Swagbucks to then invest into those passive online business assets that we talked about just earlier, right? So setting up your blog, getting your hosting, getting the content for your blog, perhaps looking at some courses that can help you actually get started. So that would be the recommendation for me in terms of how you spend it. But obviously you might want to just make some money to pay your bills or make some money, for groceries and so forth. It's completely up to you what you do with that money. So let's talk about site number 2. Now, site number 2 is PerkTV. I'll do the same thing. I'll do a full walkthrough for you in just a moment. You can also earn PayPal cash. Now, the cool thing is that to kind of maximize your earnings, you can actually run PerkTV in parallel with Swagbucks to double your rewards. So as an example, you can use PerkTV on mobile while using Swagbucks on your desktop or laptop or on another smartphone. If you've got 2 smartphones, maybe you don't even have a laptop or a computer at your home, you can just have 2 Android smartphones and you can run those apps and you can make money while the videos are playing on both of those. How cool is that, right? That way you will utilize your time more efficiently and you can make some more money watching videos or doing whatever else you're doing. Maybe you're in transport and so forth. So it gives you great ability to just earn that additional income. So now let me jump into PerkTV website and I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. All right, I'm now here inside my PerkTV account, and the first thing that I just wanted to show you is that they do pay PayPal cash, because everyone who I've spoken to are most interested in actually getting cash rather than various gift cards. So you definitely can do that. So PayPal cash, as you can see, is sent electronically to the email address you provide. You just need to have a verified PayPal account to receive that. The way that PerkTV works is it all works on points as well. So I've pulled up a little article here for you. I'm going to show you in just a second, but you can see that just for joining, you're already going to get 100 Perk points, okay? And what are those points? Well, points are essentially the electronic currency. So you can then redeem those points for awards. So once you've got enough points, you can go in and you can get PayPal cash or various other rewards that you might choose. To actually earn those points on PerkTV, you can click from here, from the main screen, onto Do More with Perk Rewards, and then it will give you the walkthrough of what you need to do. So it says your tasks: daily slideshow, daily watch live, daily scratch, daily watch, and so on. So just follow those tasks. Each task will have certain number of points. For example, you can see here, watch and earn up to 10 Perk points. And you can then, as you're completing those tasks, for example, daily slideshow, okay, daily watch, it will give you those points, it'll credit them to your account, and you can then go ahead and redeem them for PayPal Cash or for another reward that you choose. All right, so now you know about Perk.tv. Let's come back out and let's talk about the third and final site that you can use for extra profits, and that site number 3 is iRezu.com. It's also a very established, well-respected, trustworthy website, and it's an additional site that will help you earn more money while you're watching videos and while you're doing other things. You can also redeem any of the points that you earn there for PayPal credit, so it's absolutely possible to earn PayPal Cash while you're watching videos. There is a huge variety of tasks available, for example, app downloads and so forth. So I'm going to go into iRezu.com now, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So first of all, just wanted to show you, I'm here inside the iRezu interface, and you can see that PayPal, that is an option that's available to me, okay? And it costs $12,000 to get paid out with PayPal. Sorry, it costs 12,000 points to get paid out with PayPal. So once you accumulate 12,000 points, you can then get it paid out to you via the PayPal account. Now, to actually earn cash here, what you can do is there is a whole variety of different things that you can do. One of them is watch videos. There are some things where you can play games, search and earn. There are tasks, daily goals. You can do a lot of different things. But if you want to, for example, download apps, you can do that. So you can go download apps, partner apps, download apps from our trusted partners, and then you can bring it up, and it will give you all of the different things that you can do. So for example, Opinion World Australia, well, I'm in Australia, that's why it says Opinion World AU, right? Your office could be different. But if I earn different rewards there, I can earn also 2,160 iRezu points in addition to getting the rewards that I would get at Opinion World. Okay. There is also a game called Vikings, for example. If I install that game and I play 5 battles in Vikings, see it says create an account and win 5 battles. You must be a new user, valid user information required. I will already, just for that, I will get 240 iRezu points. So the opportunity is there. There are tons of opportunities. You can definitely make money watching videos as long as you apply yourself and as long as you, I guess, just go ahead and do this, because it is quite challenging to get started with making money online. I know exactly how you feel, because I went through exact same thing, and you can use this money to then later reinvest into various things that you might decide to do online. All right, so now you know about iRezu.com. My big tip would be to take all of those 3 sites. If you want to start making some money on the side, just use all of those 3 sites for maximum benefit, because then you will maximize the opportunity. For example, you might be running all of those 3, perhaps 2 on different smartphones, 1 on your desktop computer, and you might be watching videos on all 3 of them, earning your money. You might also, when you're in transport, going to school or going to and from work and so forth, you can use them on your smartphone to just make money in your spare time. That'll give you that extra capital that you might need to invest into growing more passive parts of your online business. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified real time as soon as I upload my next video. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.